Hey guys, Adrian here from Redwater Dodge, the home of regularly Rams, regularly Prism, regularly used. I'm about used today. 2024 Ram 2500 Power Wagon we just got in from a local client. Super nice truck. It is bright white color with the blackout package, guys. So coming around the front, we do have the Sport Appearance hood. As we know, we got cab lights on the Power Wagons. Big worn winch, which is all nice, tucked away under the bumper. Parking sensors front and rear. 6.4 liter HEMI engine, wraparound LED daytime lights with the fog lights, Bilstein suspension front and rear, the shocks. We got the alloy wheels on Duratrac Wrangler tires. This one does have Ram steps. It does have the decal package with the two-tone. And the mirrors, we does have tow mirrors with blind spot monitoring. Passenger inside here, we got full leather seats with the heated and cooled option. It does not have a sunroof, so I lied earlier. But it's got the full blackout package, so the big screen, black headliner, black dash, black everything. Passenger side here in the rear, we have heated seat for both the driver's side and the passenger rear occupant. It does have Alpine audio, so you do have the Alpine subwoofer under the passenger seats in the back. Ram bins down below as well. Coil suspension with the Bilstein heavy-duty shocks. LED taillights, steel bumpers, Class 5 hitch receiver. Spray and bedliner with bed utility group. So you got your 115 volt plug-in in the rear and your mounts for anything you got to tie down. Rear slider window, backup camera. Coming to the back here. Again with the back seat. Super nice 60/40 bench. Interior is very nice in this one. No rips or tears. All right. We got, again, with the tow mirrors, they're all power. So you have all your controls here. Memory seats. We have full digital dash. We got cruise control, 12-inch display. We got wireless charging pad, I believe, too. No, I lie. So no wireless charging, but you do have a dock for your phone to sit. You have the nice memory seat, as I mentioned, with the leather. Tons of options, under 50,000 kilometers. So for more information, just give us a call, 780-942-3629.